it's Devin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mysticon-inspired snow globes. We're going to be using the collectible toys that come with the Mysticon action figures. Each girl comes with their own. Today we're going to be using M's Griffin.
Top of the morning to you, Topaz.
To make my snow globe, I'm going to be using this type of jar, but you can find jars like these around your house. Any would work fine. So to begin, I've already filled up my jar with water, and you want to make sure you leave a little bit of room for air so that we can shake the glitter afterwards. First thing I'm going to do is take my glycerin, and you're just going to take a small amount, and then you're going to take your popsicle stick and just stir it until it's not cloudy. Then we're going to pour a little bit of glitter into our jar, and again, just stir it until it's all combined.
That's 2,000-year-old organic glitter. One sparkle's like 10 times your salary.
Next, we're going to assemble our figure. If yours is a little bit too short, you can just take some bottle caps, and we're going to glue them together like this. Just going to put a little bit of hot glue around the edge and stick it together. So the next thing we're going to do is sand the inside of our jar lid, and this is just going to help the bottle cap stick to the jar. And then we're going to be sanding one end of the bottle cap, which is the one we're going to secure down. Now we're going to take our bottle cap and put some hot glue around the edges so that we can mount it onto the jar lid. And then we're going to take our figure and put one dab of glue on each of the paws, and then we can stick that on our bottle cap. So once your figure is dry, you can put it into the jar. Take some hot glue and go around the edges just to ensure that it doesn't leak. Once that glue is dry, then you're going to take your electrical tape, and to just reinforce that it doesn't leak, we're going to tape around the edge that we just glued. So once the electrical tape is secure, then we can take our glitter tape, and I'm using pink, and we're just going to use that to mask the white tape. So there you have it. That's how you make Mysticon-inspired snow globes. We even have one for each of the Mysticons: Zarya, Arcana, M, and Piper. Thanks for watching.